amazing out there. Stoked. We've already had a catch before we've come out. Someone's got a shark the night before. It is quite stinky now, isn't it?
Yeah.
And I think we'll keep that head out of the water. We might bury it or something, because we don't want shark smell in the water. That'll just scare away any fish that we're hoping to catch. All right, we're back at the spot. Time to get the first one out. He's right there. Wind's in, not big bites. We press on. Both of them quiet. And then you get that day. Oh, geez, that was amazing. Couldn't even land the drone half the time. They were on that quick. Just take it. Oh my gosh! Oh mate, I'm stoked. Well, this will be a new record if we can do this. You landed that all the way with it not being even in his mouth. It's the day you want. Calibration. Okay, so just give it a little tighten. Just hold it up a bit higher. Yeah, like that. Just keep it so it's got a bend in it. Yeah, that's your best bet to know if you're going to get something or not. Cool. All right, we're probably looking at about 23 knot winds, gusts. We're wanting that to drop a little bit. Come on, little puppy, you can get back. Yes, we made it home. That's pretty awesome that it got that out then.
That's great.
That's super windy.
And now it dies off.
Yeah. Look at all that sand going back into the water. It's insane. I can't believe he's not getting a whiting. I should have got one by now. I must have just been mega lucky. I haven't seen any nibs on this yet, but it has gone slack. Oh! That was a bite. That was proper, mate. Oh, this guy might be on. Oh, I think you're on here, Ollie. Woo! Right, we might just do the drag up a tiny bit. Did you feel that head shake?
Oh, head shakes. Head shakes, Mum. Head shakes.
Your favourite phrase. And this is in the spot you got the 67, the exact same spot.
Oh, yeah.
Now all you need is your mum to hook up with a mulloway in close, and this is a magic day. Right, let's hope we can get him in. Just keep doing exactly what you're doing. Has he gone quiet?
Yeah.
Yeah, just get him in then. Don't let the line go slack. Oh!
No, I think it's snagged.
Oh!
No. Oh, oh.
No, get him out. Yep.
Yep, there's the head shakes. There's the head shakes.
Oh, baby! First drop!
Surely we got him in there.
If it gets too much for you, just let us know.
No.
Look, I think you've got the power now.
Yep.
Bit more strength than last year.
Not damage.
He's been dunking his arm in a barrel of rice in the off-season, preparing every day for this moment. The push-ups, sit-ups, everything's coming in now. Oh! We got him out. We got him out. Too windy, they said. Shouldn't go out, they said.
No. Oh, yep.
Can-
Oh, if it's a stingray, I'm going to be so mad.
No, it's not a ray, mate. Not with head shakes like that. This is a pinky. It's a pinky or a shark. No doubt about it.
Either one will do. Oh.
He's putting in the yards. This time last year, the arms were failing. They were burning.
This thing's still very...
He was sweating. This year, he's getting it done.
Oh, this thing still has a lot of...
It's dragging you a bit left. That's a bit sharky. Sharkies tend to go a little bit left. Oh! Putting in the yards. He's going to need a hard solo after this.
I'm going to need a...
Work it hard to be a solo man.
Oh, I'm going to need a barbecue breath wrap, Mum.
Let's land it first. You should be out of the snags. There might be some in-close snags yet, so see how we go. Which that might be one. No, you're out. All right, keep going. He's working for every kilo here. If he wants to run when he gets in close, just let him run.
Yeah. Not one. Pulling the hook.
It's so nice to just be able to bring his here and hook up to something like this. Woo! That's a win, baby! Woo! Woo! He's a beauty. That's perfect eating size, dude. He's gonna be gorgeous. Oh, he wasn't coming off. He was not coming off. What are we? All right, I'll take a guess and say he is a 60 on the dot. Might be like a 59.
What do they have to be?
50. Well over 50. It's a beautiful fish. So you just want to grab him.
Yeah.
You want to grab him by the tail, but you want to hold him this way so there's no sand. So just, yeah, even grab it like that. Woo! Look at that. What do you reckon, mate? Happy?
Yeah.
That's a beauty. Woo! Look at that. First drop, baby. Let's measure him up. Oh, so it's in the 50s. We've got a 59. All right, let's go. Same spot. Let's hope the wind holds off. Well, pretty happy with that. First drop's always awesome. Oh, that was lucky, man. That was so friggin' lucky. Oh, Well, that is super windy and we got it back, mate. 20 plus knots. That is really, really good. And there was a boat in our way too, so. She's windy. But we've already got the success, so it doesn't matter. Right, drop 3, come on. Let's keep that wind down. Right next to a good reef. Get home, baby, get home. It's the hardest part of its flight right now. Oh, she's struggling. All right. Now this bit pretty hard early, so keep an eye on this one straight away. That one's still doing nothing with the big squid on, but
It's gone.
has it? No, it hasn't. You're on, go, get it in.
Just reel it in.
Yep, just reel it in normal, nice and steady. Oh, hang on. She's running. Oh, what? Oh!
Should have just kept going.
No, because you had to let it relax. Oh, what was that? That might have been a mile away.
Quick, get it back out.
Absolutely. Oh! It's just jumped out of the water. That might have been a mile away. Get your line in again. He's bitten you off. It was either a shark or a mulloway, yeah. I've been bitten off by a mulloway like that plenty of times. Oh!
Go get your little rod in.
And see how like nothing, and then bang.
Bang. It's just,
Yeah.
whether one's swimming past, I suppose.
That totally could have been, mate. Oh, that was a bit of a heart starter though, wasn't it? Was that a mulloway? We'll never know. It looked like one. It was either that or a very big tailor. But no, seriously, you did everything right. But for you to sit there and think, oh, I should have just kept reeling, nah. No, you did the right thing. When they peel like that, you just have to let them go.
Okay, is that all fish?
Oh yeah, if they go that hard, let them go and they'll run out of steam.
So if you're trying and you're getting big resistance, that means they're trying to run.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, imagine double hookups, mulloway and a
One day that will happen.
mullow on that one, shark.
We were just massively unlucky, mate. That's all that was. But the recon, the knowledge of knowing that they're there. At least we got something, mate. Imagine if that busted off. Imagine if that snag, that busted off as well. Now that is what you call an epic session. Only 2 really big bites at the end of the day, but it's really great to bring family along and just have a great time, and we still had something to take home. Catch us next time. Well, we got very lucky then, mate. Very lucky. That is a beautiful flatty. Beautiful, beautiful flatty. Look at that. There's a beautiful flatty. We've got something else on. We've got something else on here. This could be another flatty, eh? Oh no. Might be a Taiwan. Yep, just a baby Taiwan. Usually Taiwan signal the end of a session. Nice little guy. Go back to swim another day, won't you, mate? Oh, we've got something on here. This is going to be our last cast. Oh my gosh, what is this? What is this? Is that a Taylor? Oh my gosh, a big skippy. A beautiful skipjack trevally. Very nice fish. I'm gonna have to have another cast now. That's a beauty.